Yeah. Wow. We're in the water world, guys. Finally, nakapunta rin. Nakapunta rin sa water world. Matagal na kaming gustong pumunta dito. So, now lang. Be! Be! Changing room. Changing room. Ha? Oo. Changing room dito. May locker din dun. Let's change. Go, go, go. Go. No need. Let you. Hey, 嗰個 swimsuit 係有底褲啦。
做咩事啊？點解？